In this video, we demonstrate the process for changing the side that the door is hinged on an AF30 aluminium board. Here we can see that the door needs to be unlocked and opened to around 90 degrees, enabling you to access the internal area near to the hinge. You then need to carefully remove the 3 rubber pads within the frame as seen here. Closing the door to around a 30-degree angle and applying very gentle pressure to the frame. As demonstrated, it is possible to slide the door out of the frame and remove it from the board. Rehanging the door on either side of the frame is essentially a reverse of the process we have just seen. In this case, it is simply placed back on the left side. Please ensure you return the 3 rubber pads to the positions they were initially removed from. If you require further assistance, please contact us at sales@greenbarns.co.uk or call us on 01280 701 093.